Is that rattle in your air vent driving you crazy? If it makes a noise when your system turns on, it may just be a loose air filter. Let's try and fix that. Even correctly sized filters can vary by brand, leaving a small gap that causes them to rattle against the metal frame when the system changes pressure. To fix this, look along the left and the right outer edges of the inner frame for the small adjustable crescent flanges. Gently bend these tabs inward to narrow the track. This tightens up the filter slot, holding it firmly in place to eliminate the noise. When installing your filter back in, check the airflow arrow on the side. Make sure they are pointed toward the unit so it isn't upside down. Remember to change your filters every 30 to 90 days to keep your system running efficiently. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to Routine Maintenance for more quick home tips. Have a great day.